Ladies and gentlemen, my name still remains Odunzenos for the Maga Anthony Chisom. I know so I never see where they cook better stew before, but all the same, I'm from Oku village, you know, the Amala local government, from Imo State. Okay, I never see how they prepare stew before. This one happened for December time, but you know, not be all the videos I can't get because I don't delete some. Now here when I go see say I be better correct chef. This will be Mr. Chop Missy. Guys, this place what they show us so now where they bury my mama. Oh, Jasajo. Nwa Justina, show them how they tell they prepare better stew. We did my papa house. Make no reason waiting on the CEO. It better somewhere. No be here. Here in our mommy grave. You understand? That's all they do. That year. We come back. So make no reason here. That's all they do here. So that if they cook, everybody gonna hear, they perceive the odor, the scent. Everybody gonna perceive the odor. You understand? You go better somewhere. Whether on a reason or on a no reason, now on our own cup of tea. But I just want to make a show now. When I sister don't put all this thing with it, I first of all wash my precious chicken very well. I wash them thoroughly. I can add all this onion, see I can add what do they call that? Is it thyme or curry? I don't know what they call them, but spices. I call Adam. Because the guests who supposed their house they cook for us. They never come back where they go because our family too big. Everybody just spread outside because anybody will come back home, you go like make you go visit people we never see. So not only us will be men. I did the house, you know. But this year, I don't reach to marry. Or this I must surely marry for my papa. I must surely marry. People, guys, make una pray for me. I need to get a wife. If you are watching this video and you know that you can be my wife or you love me so much, you know, DM ASAP. Riri, don't catch them. Okay, now make I enter. I go add my no Maggie. Is it no Maggie or whatever? What are they add now? What is that? Okay. I don't put that for fire. I don't put that. Oh, make her leave this boy alone. Leave this boy alone. This boy today cook. I too cook. Leave this boy alone, whether you like it or not. Hell, let me stir it. Roro, I swear to God, any woman will go do shakara for you, that woman never even come out. I swear to God, that woman never even come out. Look at me now. Look at me cooking. Who can cook better than me? Who can cook better than me? Look who can cook. I'm stir it very well. Stir it. Back to the discussion. After stirring your meat, you know, after make sure that anything that you are cooking, make sure that it's female fowl. Don't cook male fowl. Or you look at where I am bringing. I am this English. May this place come out. I'm not too like this size. I don't know what they call that. Curry leaf. Where I am bringing out my curry leaf. Where I am plugging. Where I am. Oh, that place too hard for English. I don't want to stress myself for this 2025. That place too hard. Remove this shaft now. I don't wash my curry leaf. I'm gonna see where they add salt for my chicken. Remember, when cooking this meat, make sure you prepare female chicken, female fowl, not male fowl, because male fowl don't used to be sweet. Prepare female chicken. Female chicken is the most sweetest. You understand? Female chicken is the most, and allow the chicken to stir up. Understand? Allow the chicken to stir up. Hey, nwa Justina. Let Justina, she will hand cook for them. Let Justina prepare food. Oh, again, I feel like going back to 2024 December. But all the same, December 2024 was just hectic, you know. I'm not too fancy, and because it was a tragedy, you know, month for me, you know. Tragedy month, yeah. But all the same, thank God for my life. I don't add the oil. You people should look at the oil. No too much oil. Avoid, how do they used to call it? Avoid what's that sickness name again? Avoid that thing where that oil where they block for for chest. What do they call that sickness? Una know the sickness what they get. Avoid chloroquine. No, not be chloroquine. That's oil when they block for chest. Avoid it. So I just add my small oil, and the oil will be. Nah. Oh, make I stop here. Boy, yeah, Bupo. I know Shalawa. If you not like, make una use better kitchen they cook. If you not like, make una talk about me. That will concern you. I they cook. Understand? If you just done now, see hungry person. That was other one they wait. People there, some lie down themselves. Me, I don't hungry. Understand? So one just wait. More we just cook as everybody don't go Okorosha. May they go. We just cook this one, chop am. So if they come tomorrow, we just they look. We all leave everything for them. They will come. How am I that one now? I know lazy, huh? Yeah. They will do that one. I had to go to. He was doesn't want to pull us up. I swear. My son I say, look, I just put the Anna, yeah. Okay.
For his brothers to eat. And we are wishing and praying to have a brother like this. That will always remember us at good time and also the right bad time. Roro,
Agozie. Gogo. Kaishie. Ndike nwaanyị anọ dị ya. Ndike nwaanyị anọ dị ya. So how feeling that now? I get emeli. Hey! Adekuko. Adekuko.
Roro is online. Roro, quick get together you. When they charge sugar. Sugar, when they charge sugar and milk, about it. The cabbage is stupid.
I should get one type of Mama. Then when I Nam Queen, I miss you. Take on the wonderful. Over the pump. Is you go? Is you go? Yo, one of them.
Roro's in the kitchen. Yes. Roro in the chicken.
Call her Banime, Homula. She's like a more rice. Animation.